Hey, what's up? It's Josh Tracy here with Forex cheat codes. We're going to be going over the news breakdown this upcoming week real quick. I've already got this broken down and transferred over to our master sheet here. Monday, July 29th, we just do not have any red folder news at all, and definitely none for USD. So this is actually going to be a pretty smooth trading day for the 29th. It's coming up in the last week of the month here. Tuesday, the 30th. Here we've got just a couple pieces of minor news right here at 10 o'clock. So if you're looking to trade just before the open or at the open, you should be clear up until 10 o'clock. You might see some slight consolidation around 10, but otherwise pretty good overall. Wednesday is going to be the day where there's going to be a lot of news. You can see, especially compared to earlier in the week, this day in particular, grayed out is actually really red, and really red in general for USD news in particular. We have some minor-ish news here towards the morning here. We've got the 8:15 ADP non-farm employment change. Again, that always precedes the non-farm payroll coming on Friday. So just a heads up, that's coming on if you see that. 8:30, we've got employment cost index. It's kind of a newer one in general. 10 o'clock penny home sales. So that's going to be pretty much all minor red folder news for your morning session, but there is basically news just sprinkled throughout. It's 8:15, 8:30, and 10 o'clock. So that's a little bit problematic getting traction. So just bear that in mind as you're trading on Wednesday. And the more important and pressing news is actually going to be in the afternoon. We've got three other pieces of information here. We actually have some FOMC news coming in on Wednesday, which is a big deal. So we've got federal funds rate at 2, FOMC statement at 2 o'clock, and then FOMC press conference. So probably see some slight consolidation from like 1 p.m. to 2, and then it's going to start getting real extreme in terms of volatility. 2 to 2:30, and 2:30 certainly after going into the U.S. session next day, rolling into Thursday. So should be relatively clear. Just tread lightly on Wednesday morning, but Wednesday afternoon definitely want to be cautious because you're going to see some spikes one or the other Wednesday afternoon. So big change coming from Monday where there's none, and you have actually 6 pieces of USD news on Wednesday. So definitely want to pay attention Wednesday. Thursday, you're going to have some carryover from that 2 p.m. volatility, 2:15 volatility, federal funds rate, and FOMC rolling into Thursday. So that's going to be probably the biggest piece. You're also going to have 8:30 unemployment claims and 10 o'clock ISM manufacturing PMI. That's going to be more minor news. But again, that is spread out before the 9:30 open and then after the 9:30 open. But you're going to see some extreme volatility or some larger volatility due to that carryover. Typically, when you see that FOMC federal funds rate the day before, that 9:30 becomes a little bit more extreme. The traders start to get some traction, start to make some moves on that news. So that's kind of the first opening following that. So Thursday, a little choppy as well, but only 2 pieces of news versus 6 on Wednesday. And then the big dog coming in, same as Wednesday. On Friday, you've got non-farm employment change, otherwise known as non-farm payroll. So you're going to have some extreme volatility at 8:30. I personally do not like trading days that has non-farm payroll. So I'm personally going to be sitting out that day for my trading session, and actually going to be tutoring another student. Yeah, just definitely want to steer clear of that, or keep really tight stops and just tread lightly there. You're going to see some bigger moves, same as Wednesday, but just a heads up that's going on. So under 5 minutes, pretty clear, cut and concise overall kind of what's going on this week. Again, Monday, good to go. Tuesday, kind of light news. Wednesday, light news in the morning, and then heavy news in the afternoon. Thursday, lighter news in the morning, but you do have that carryover from that federal funds rate and FOMC in the Thursday, and then you have non-farm payroll coming in at 8:30 on Friday. So just heads up as we wrap up the end of this month and start to get into the first of this next upcoming month here in August. So that is the upcoming news and fundamental analysis for this week.